Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll record a purchase invoice in the Procurement module. Open Procurement. Go to the Purchase Invoice tab, then click Add to raise a new invoice. Choose the purchase order you are invoicing against. OEMup pulls in the vendor, items, and ordered quantities automatically. Enter the invoice ID, set the invoice date and due date, and confirm the invoice address. Against each line, record the delivered quantity. OEMup calculates the subtotal, applies the discount and IGST, and rolls it all up to the grand total. Review the totals, then click Save. Your invoice is saved with its own number. From here you can edit it or create RGP to log returnable goods against it. Under Documents, attach the vendor's bill or any supporting files with Add Documents. Every invoice lands in the Purchase Invoice list with its grand total, payment status, and remaining amount, so you always know what's still outstanding. That's how you record a purchase invoice in OEMup. In the next video, we'll record a payment against it.